Hello guys, welcome back to Merch Everyday Bro project. Today I'm going to show you how to do task number 3. The question states, if the inventory warning column we wanted to display low, if the inventory level percent is below 10%. Otherwise, leave the cell blank. So this is the if formula. So I'm going to show you guys how to do the if formula. So first is equal if, open parenthesis. For me, I love to use the function argument box. So for right over here, we can do a logical test. So if inventory is lower than 10%, if it is true, we need to state it as low or display it as low. If false, we leave the cell blank. So this is how you do to leave the cell blank. It is to open quotation sign. And you can actually see if your formula is correct. If it's like formula result low, that means that you have entered into the if formula, you have done it correctly. So let's test it out. And we did do it correctly, as you can tell. 8%, it is lower than 10%. And if it's false, then we can leave the cell blank. So 18% is of course higher than 10%. So that's why the cell it is blank. Hope this tutorial helped you, and see you next time.